If you always try out making salads and they turn out bland, not flavorful, and not delicious, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple creamy potato salad, which is going to be fantastic. The flavor is going to be top notch. I'm going to give my salad a try. Wow. So yum. The salad is spicy, flavorful, and delicious. And the best part is it's budget friendly, and you can make this salad in a matter of around 30 minutes. So grab the ingredients and let's get started. We're going to get straight into cooking by placing a non-stick pan over medium low flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can add in some olive oil as well. Then you're going to add in 4 diced potatoes. Shake a little bit. Then you're going to pan fry for around 4 to 6 minutes. The recipe is super fast, so you have to prep up your potatoes, carrots. We have some onions, half a cup of maize, and some green peas. Also, you'll need a lemon, black pepper, and salt, together with a few sauces which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. In between, as the potatoes are cooking, you're going to flip or use a spatula so that the potatoes can brown on all sides. I always love pan frying my potatoes because they turn out crispy and super delicious. So as they're frying, I'm going to add in some salt. Add in some salt because potatoes absorb in salt perfectly. And in between, if you notice that the cooking oil is reduced, you can add in a tablespoon or 2 so that the potatoes can get that awesome golden brown color. Remember, the cooking time depends on how big or small you have chopped up your potatoes. So if you check and notice that they are not yet fully cooked or crispy, just add in some more time so that the potatoes can get that crispy edge and that perfect color. This is after around 8 minutes. And the potatoes are starting to crispen up and the kitchen has been smelling so good. So I'm going to check the seasoning. Woo, hot. I'm going to add in a little bit more salt. I'm using fine salt, so this is around half a teaspoon. We're getting that nice crunch, so I'm going to cook for another 1 minute. This is how your potatoes are going to be looking once ready. As you can see, the edge of each potato is very much straight and crispy. So this is how I always love making my potatoes, especially when I'm cooking for around 1 to 2 people. So because my potatoes are ready, I'm going to transfer to a bowl so that they can cool down a little bit. Just listen to that crunch. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of more cooking oil because we're going to saute all our veggies for around a minute. So I'm going to start off with my carrots, onions, which are thinly sliced. I'm going to add in half a cup of green maize, a third cup of green peas. Toss all the veggies using a spatula. So I didn't have corn and I had green maize, that is parboiled green maize, in the fridge. So I decided to switch up the recipe and use my green maize because it's also perfect for a salad. Sometimes you need to use readily available ingredients which you can't miss in your kitchen and make some delicious food. So because my green maize are parboiled together with the green peas, it's going to take around 1 to 2 minutes to saute our veggies until tender. So while they are sauteing, I'm going to add in a pinch of black pepper. You can add the black pepper to your own liking. Then I'm going to add in a tiny bit of salt because we have already seasoned our potatoes. I'm going to crack in some more black pepper and chili flakes, just a touch. Toss once more. You're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, add in a pinch of more salt. And after around 2 minutes of tossing and flipping your veggies, they're ready because you'll notice that the carrots are pliable and also the onions are soft. So I'm going to put out the flames. Let the veggies cool for around 2 minutes because our potatoes are almost cooling, so that we can add our dressing. When cooled down, you're going to add in your veggies in the bowl with the potatoes. Then you're going to be adding in half a cup of plain yogurt. Add in a third cup of mayonnaise, and I'm using eggless if you're wondering, and a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice, which is going to bring out all the flavors. Take your salad spoon and mix or toss all the ingredients together until fully combined. Doesn't this look so gorgeous, creamy, and delicious? Yum. And once done, you're going to garnish with some coriander. Check the seasoning and adjust. If it's not perfect, you can throw in a little bit more salt or some black pepper. I'm going to give my salad a try. Looks so gorgeous and creamy. Wow. It's so delish. So now I'm going to serve in a big bowl. We're going to be enjoying our salad for dinner. Once more, I'm going to try out my salad. It's smelling absolutely incredible. Oh yeah. This is a must-try recipe because it's super flavorful, delicious, made with very basic ingredients which you can miss in your kitchen. And also, I love using mayonnaise, eggless mayonnaise, because we don't have that eggy taste to my salad. So if you have the regular mayonnaise, it's quite okay. And I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's totally worth it.